Alright, so as you can see, well, I have my 2012 Volkswagen GTI that I am rebuilding the injectors on. Everything down here is pretty easy. I'm sure you can find that somewhere. So that's already done. I'm not going to talk about that. What I'm talking about is these guys right here. These two I just replaced. This one I have ready to replace, and this one I have not cut off yet. The whole point of me making this video is because the tool to replace these, or the kit I should say, it's like $100, or at least it is here from AutoZone, and I think it's quite ridiculous. So maybe this will save somebody some money. But this right here is the tool that I am using, which is basically the same thing that you would buy in the kit. All this is the tip of a mechanical pencil. As you can see, it tapers down right there. All you got to do is cut it to the right diameter and make sure that it's flush with the injector nozzle right there. I actually ended up, I don't know where it is, there we go, I ended up using PVC cutters, which worked out great. And then to get it more precise, I ended up chiseling some off with a fresh razor, sorry. But yeah, so basically you take the razor, you cut this guy off. Let's see if it'll focus. Just make sure to not scratch it. Just a nice and easy cut. Cuts pretty easily. But yeah, basically you just cut that, pull the old one off, you put the new one on. So you slide the seal over the top of the mechanical pencil, you butt it up to the injector nozzle, and you slide it over. I've actually been using the back end of the mechanical pencil to help push this down. I think you get what I'm saying, because I only have one hand right now. But yeah, you put the other end of the mechanical pencil up top, push it down, it gets it most of the way, and then it slides on pretty easily. I've seen people say that tightening these just to make it shrink a bit is something you have to do, but I've also seen people not do it. I don't think I'm going to. I got this out just to show you what some people use. But yeah, it's easy as that. You got 2 down, 2 to go.